Thank you for joining me today. I have 3 great ideas to help you introduce plant-based meals to your family. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Debbie. Welcome to my kitchen, the home of Almost Vegan Cooking School. So I have 3 suggestions to help you get started. The first one is read a good book. And there are so many books now on plant-based nutrition and how it affects so many aspects of our life. For instance, this is one of my favorites right now, Eat for the Planet. And it's all about the environment, and it's an easy book to read, only 8 chapters. And you can get a conversation going at the table with your children, with your spouse, with your loved ones on all kinds of things that are important to us today. Or maybe it's all about where our food comes from and what is factory farming all about and what is the reality of farm animals. Well, the Food Revolution was written by one of the heirs to Baskin-Robbins, and it's a classic, but another great book that you may want to consider reading. And there are all kinds of books on health and weight loss and athletic performance, all centering around a plant-based diet. It is a wonderful way to teach integrity to our children and to help us become more compassionate beyond ourselves and into the world. So that's my first suggestion, is read a book and talk about it at dinner time. My second suggestion is to plan a movie night with your friends or your family. There are so many great documentaries out today, and there are all kinds of links below this video to help you get started. And after the movie is over, you've got all kinds of discussion points. Why in the world did the filmmaker even make this movie? Is it all hype? Or is it something that touches your heart? In some ways, these movies change us. We see the world in a different way. And it's a great way to get the conversation started. My third suggestion is to make a plant-based meal at home and share it with your family. What I found so rewarding about this is the ordinary act of cooking in your kitchen can bring around such extraordinary results. And in the next few months, we are going to be sharing and cooking all kinds of family favorites. And I am sure your family is going to discover something that they love. And then you just start rotating it in and out every week. Socrates is the patron saint of education, and he is well known for saying self-examination is a life worth living. We are living in a time in history when we need to examine what we are putting on our plates. At Almost Vegan Cooking School are committed to helping you with this major transition, and we want you to enjoy the process. This is really a cooking adventure, and I think it helps to look at it that way. In the beginning, I too was overwhelmed. I thought, my goodness, what in the world am I gonna eat? Because everything seemed to be off the table. But after about 2 weeks, I realized that it was attainable, and joy started to form in my head. And I lost 10 pounds, I felt more focused, I had energy, and I was learning so much. I began to experience success, and we want you to experience success as well. When we become engaged with our food in this 21st century way, it just brings us alive, no matter what your age. I want you to know that you are an integral part of our cooking school. And I hope that this new platform is a place where we can share and learn from one another. So just let us know what's on your mind, when you started the process, and what we can help you with. Because I guarantee once you introduce plant-based cooking into your house, life is never the same again. And those are my 3 tips to help you get started. I hope you enjoyed this cooking class as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. This cooking school came to be because there is so much good news to share about a plant-based diet. Become a part of our